Morning everyone, I am Khushi Gupta of BCA PPU Batch 1 and here is my project which I have made using HTML, CSS, JavaScript as a front-end language, and in the back-end I have used PHP and MySQL as a database. Now this is, as you can see here, it is index.php which will make my website interactive, and it will whatever data I will feed here, it will go to the backend. It will check there MySQL with whether that data is present. It will perform the queries and it will fetch the data from there, and it will show me on my website. Now here are so many folders I have created for CSS styling the property. Image has all the images which are used in this website, and these are all PHP files. I will open the XAMPP folder, and in the MySQL admin section, I will go to the admin section and it will open my database. So here is my database for the website. This is PG Life. Now here are the tables for this website. I will go to the cities table, and I have given 4 cities here: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. They have their IDs 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if I will go to the properties table, it has all the PGs listed here. For example, these the first, second and third, first and second PG is for Delhi, which has city ID 1. The third, fourth and fifth has city ID 2, which is for Bangalore, and so on. The PGs are listed here. Now I will open a new tab and I will search here 127.0.0.1 PG Life, and my folder name was PG Life New. Now this it has fetched from the XAMPP folder. This is my website, and you can see the layout here. The cities which were listed there in the MySQL database: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. This is HTML working here, which is showing a user interface. If I will click on Delhi, it will show me the PGs which are present in Delhi. This is from MySQL database. It has fetched from the PGs listed there, and if I will go to view section of this PG, now this will show the view of this PG. I have also added here the slider effect. This is Bootstrap working here, and the amenities are also listed here, which was also stored in the database. Now I will go back. Likewise, I have more in Mumbai. PGs in Mumbai, I have listed 3 here: PG in Bangalore and PG in Hyderabad. Also the filter option is here. This is also MySQL query. If I will select this mail section, it will the select command will use select asterisk from where the gender is male, and then it will fetch perform this SQL query, and it will fetch the data from my XAMPP backend. Now I can sign up here with my name. So I have created an account, and a pop-up comes here that your account has been created successfully. Now this the data which I have given, this is also stored in the backend as a new user ID. Now I have done the sign up. Now I will log into my account. So here I have successfully logged in, and here it has seen hi Khushi. Now I will go to my dashboard page, and here is my account successfully created. Now if I want to add any PG to my favorite list, I will click here. Now this PG has been added to my favorite list, and it will show onto my dashboard. Here is my interested properties, and whatever I have liked, it is shown here. Now I can also log out from here, the logout button. So it has logged me out. Also, I can search here. I have given a search bar. Here I can search for the PG in Delhi. Now it will show the PGs in Delhi. Filter option, highest rate. These are the filters which I have added here. So that's it. Thank you.